Hi, I'm Sheelaa, I'm Bajaj, and today we're going to talk about Akashic records. This subject really intrigues me. Akashic records are nothing but your soul's record. Imagine if your soul had a record of all lifetimes, like a record of every lifetime and what you went through, of all the actions you went through, all your life lessons, your karmas, the good things, the negative things. So basically, there is this entire record for your soul for eons of time, and all of this can be tapped into by a professional Akashic records reader. And whatever you're going through right now in your life can the reader zeroes in on one lifetime and sees why are you going through this problem, and gives you certain insights about this lifetime and how it's connected to the previous lifetime, and all of it will just make sense. All of it will add up, because sometimes the reader will tell you that you had so many miscarriages, or you have a certain issue with perhaps a sense of yours or a certain relationship of yours, or will tell you something about your spouse, or will tell you something about your children, and suddenly you kind of feel, oh my god, this makes so much sense. Or will tell you a repeat pattern that you're going through without you telling the reader that this was what was happening. Sometimes it also gives you certain incompletions that your soul is going through. Certain things that your soul didn't get in a previous lifetime, and that's why you chose to be born. Certain learning lessons, certain karmas that, karma that you're going through, and you can actually release that, or heal that, or treat that. So if you're going through, let's say, a money problem, it could be connected to some lifetime. If you're having a problem with your spouse, that could be connected to something that happened with that person, with that spouse, who's your spouse in your current life, from a previous lifetime. And if that karma is released, imagine how your life could change. The first time I got an Akashic reading done, I was just flabbergasted, and it's very difficult for me to just be blown off my mind. Maybe because I've done so many different modalities of divination and healing over the years, that it's really difficult to impress me. Like, I've not been impressed with so many astrologers or tarot card readers. But when I got my first Akashic session, I think I was mind blown because of the number of details and the revelations that came out. And it sort of just gives you a little bit of closure on a few issues that happened in your past. Maybe if things didn't work, or maybe you lost some money or something went wrong, it sort of gives you closure as to why that happened. So an Akashic session, according to me, is a must-have. If you're going through repeat patterns in your life, you will get answers with an Akashic session.